Hello, welcome back to 605 Sports Cards. Devin here. Today I have my first time ever opening a white sparkle pack of Optic. So those were redeemed for 6,000 points in my 2019 hobby box of contenders. I pulled that Deebo Samuel rookie auto. So that pretty much covered one pack. So that's all I had points for was one pack of the Panini Rewards for the Donruss Optic White Sparkle. So we're going to open one of those. But first, we're going to rip my last box of Optic Blasters. It's tough not just sell that Panini pack. They are going for $500 to $600 for those 3 cards in that pack right now on eBay. While that sounds nice, I just can't let it go without knowing what's in that pack. So we're gonna rip it here. Obviously looking for a lot of one-on-ones for any of the case hits, downtowns, uptowns. So we're gonna get through this last box of blasters. I haven't seen any more out yet. If I do, I'll grab them. Derrick Henry on the chain reaction, and a Coleman rookie. So these are still from the same 9 I bought, or 6 I bought originally. Last one. See if we can get something else to go with that Caleb Williams Uptown we pulled out of there. And it would be amazing to get a one-on-one out of the white sparkles. Although I'm excited just to have the white sparkles because I've never opened one before. So the first time getting open that. And will not be buying it on a secondary market for $500. That's, some people like to gamble a lot more than I do for 3 cards. Jamari Thrash and a nice Bo Nix rookie. So I had some decent rookies out of this box. Be nuts to hit another short print. Happens out of the same case, but not likely. A Will Shipley on the pink and Jermaine Burton rookie. All right, so our last pack before we get to our white sparkle pack. Our silver rookie Kings. I believe that is a case hit, is it not? I was thinking it'd be in the 3rd spot. It's Marshawn Lloyd. So I think that is a case hit right there. A CeeDee Lamb, nice PC card, and a Devin Leary. So, if I'm not mistaken, that is one of the case hits. So out of the 6 boxes I pulled, we have Uptown Caleb Williams and a Marshawn Lloyd rookie Kings. Not the big one you're looking for, but still nice to hit what they call a case hit. I was expecting that to be in the 3rd spot if there was going to be one. So nice surprise there. Let's see if we can pull one more out of our secondary market. $500 pack would be 6,000 points. Only had enough for the one. It's open now, so no going back. These are cool looking cards, the white sparkles. Again, my first time ever ripping it. Maybe my only time, don't know. So we have a Kyler Murray. Very nice looking cards. They're probably going to sleeve up all these by the end. Don't look like we're going to have a one-on-one though. Jahan Dotson, we need a good rookie on the back. And we got Jalen Wright. So, not a big pack. Still, you know, nice to be able to have a chance to rip it. It's still insane that Panini makes you do $10 shipping on anything you buy with your points after they short you an auto. So that's kind of a bummer. Nothing too exciting in that pack. Points well spent. It's tough to find anything on there. Still, not mad about it. Nice to open it. There's some of these are very off center. I've seen a couple other people open these and they are very, very off center. The cuts are just terrible. And the ones I saw, these aren't the worst, but quality control could have been better on this product. Not gonna be sad though, we did hit another short print here. Marshawn Lloyd on the Rookie Kings. So overall, Optic was fun. And you know, my points, we got that. Fun to open White Sparkle. Let me know if you guys have any of that. It's you know, fun to open up some of those. Would have been better off just selling that pack, but now we know. And that's, you know, unfortunately, these guys are my PC guys, but I'll still hang on to them. I like having some White Sparkles. Cool cards. Fun video. Enjoyed ripping that stuff. And we might have some Prism hobby box next from 2014 is what we had back 2015. If we don't find some stuff in the wild this week. Tempted to maybe get a Phoenix hobby box. They are dropping, so we'll see what we have. Well, thanks for watching. Let me know if you guys open any Sparkle packs. Let's see some 101s. Let's hear what you guys hit. We'll catch you guys on next video. Thanks.